Hello, social netizens. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine, and in this video, I am revamping my pillows because they have seen better days and it's time for a change. So that's what's up. So I am done removing the fiber from here, and my goodness, they are so dirty, my god. So I want to wash these ones, and then once they're dry, I am going to put this fiber back in here and then put in some new fiber that I bought so that we can revamp my pillows. And it looks so oldish and it doesn't look too good. Yeah, but this part, where my head was not reaching and my hair oil wasn't reaching, is good as new. And so my pillowcases, is it pillowcases, whatever, this one is already dry and it's clean and it smells amazing. Yeah, so I want to put this back on here and then put some more here. This is the newest fiber that I bought over the weekend, so yeah, that's what we are gonna do. So yeah, what I'm going to do is put back this one here, and then we are going to sew it up. So I am done stuffing, as you can see. So I want to sew. Yeah, I want to sew this part so that we can have our pillow. I have my needle and white thread. Yeah, let's get to work. The last time I had done it with a black thread, so this time around I'm doing it with the white thread. So yeah, let us sew it and we can have a pillow. And we are done. So here are my two pillows. And before you ask what the measurements are, initially there was just vibes and inshallah, but we are going to measure in case you decide to follow my procedure. So the length is approximately 21 inches. Okay, just know it's 21 inches, and the width is 16 inches. I bought this one has been here for some time. So the newest, actually I think it's been 300 bob per kg. it's behind, you buy them, you buy you buy it you buy fiber at around, rather behind Equity Bank Gikomba. I don't know whether there's any other spot, but that's where I'm used to buying it. And I think that's just about it. Yeah, if your pillowcases are not already sewed up, or yeah, so sewed up, like if you decide to use this pillowcase, like I am hoping to do, I'm going to take it to a fundi, because I don't think I have the energy or the time to, to sew it. So I'm going to take this to a fundi, and then he or she is going to sew it for me, and then I'll just put my fiber, and then I'll sew it up here. Thank you so much for dropping by, for subscribing and commenting and liking and telling a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. So see you around, and happy holidays. Bye.